Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel, Lorena. So, today we are going to learn about the process of biometric appointment booking. It has many steps, and we are going to cover each steps in detail. So, let's get into this. So, to begin with, you can search on Google. आप Canada VFS के बारे में search कर सकते हैं, and the website is in front of you. I have shared my screenshot so that you can visit the same website. Then once you enter the website, you will see all these options. इसमें आपको book an appointment में जाना है, and then once you click on this, then you able to see this page wherein आपको online option choose करना है that you need to book this appointment via online system. So there are various systems, but we'll choose online because it is the most convenient system. Furthermore, once you click on view more, then you're able to see here that click here to schedule an appointment. So we'll just quickly click that option under the first option of online. Then we will see that there are various cities where the VFS Global have the offices of VACs, Visa Application Centers for Canada. So you will see the different cities there, and you'll see you need to select the city, which city you are from, and you can accordingly click on View More of the respective city. सो एक बार आप क्लिक करेंगे कोई भी सिटी के व्यू मोर में, देन यू विल सी द मीन्स देयर विल बी description, or it will expand the option. So here you will see the web form link where you need to click on the web form hyperlink. Once you go to web form hyperlink, you will able to see that there are certain instructions वो आप पढ़ सकते हैं, that will be helpful. Once you click on proceed, then it will take you to the next page, which will be biometric enrollment. Here again, you need to select the visa center so that the respective city application center can help you in that. Once you select the center, then also you need to select the number of applicants. So at times it happens that spouse, student, and as well as dependent apply in the same application. So if there are multiple applicants, you need to select accordingly the number of applicants. Once you select the number of applicants, then you will see the option to enter a mobile number, and you need to enter a mobile number to get an OTP. And then once you enter the OTP, then you will able to see this page. So it is on the same page. आपको just scroll down करना है, and you will see this page. Here you need to upload the biometric collection letter which you receive in your GC key. Once you upload your GC key, biometric collection letter here, you will see that there are certain fields which are pre-filled. Let's say first name, last name, DOB, and all. However, you need to fill the mobile number, email ID, and action में आ जाएगा save. So you need to just save and click on acknowledge the terms and condition. Once you do this, तो ये आपका appointment process हो जाएगा. And I think after 5 or 10 minutes you'll receive this kind of email in your registered email ID जो आपने previous screen में mention किया था. So here you'll be able to see the timing on which you have to enroll, and then reporting time is 15 minutes ahead of that. Then you'll also see the instruction in the same email that what all things you need to carry. So print out of this email valid origin passport, biometric instruction letter, and signed copy of consent form. So these all things you can carry while going for a biometric. I'm sure like this video is helpful for you, and do like and subscribe my channel so that I can make more videos. And till then, see you, and good luck for your biometric appointment. Thank you very much.